back to my channel, and if you are new, hi there. I am the natural hair addict, and I'm here to bring you all the affordable and relatable natural hair content that you will ever need. So consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Welcome to the den. So for today's video, I am going to be attempting a twist out on my 4B4C hair. Usually twist outs don't go very well for me, but I am gonna keep trying. That's the rule of life. You keep trying and keep trying until you get it right. So I'm going to be attempting a twist out on my 4B4C hair, and at the same time I'm going to be coloring it bronze. I say coloring because I'm not actually like dyeing my hair. I'm using temporary dye from Curlfit, and I'm using the color Snack Bronze. Where is it? Yes, I'm using the color Snack Bronze. I cannot wait to try this color, and obviously I'm hoping that this twist out goes well, because if it doesn't, then it's a waste of time, effort, leave-in conditioner and dye. No pressure. With this and my new leave-in conditioner, I hope to achieve a very good twist out today. All right, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to section my hair. Okay, I've already detangled my hair and put it in twists. These have been in for like 3 days now, and hopefully they are still pretty detangled, because detangling is just a whole other process. Like, I can make a whole dedicated video on how I detangle my hair. It's a whole thing. So I decided to do that off camera before doing all this. So yeah, the hair is in twist, and I'm gonna just loosen up the twist and divide it into proper sections. Okay, now that I have my hair in sections, I'm gonna start with this section. I don't know, this is like my favorite section to start anything at all. If I'm twisting my hair, I start here. Deep conditioning, start here. Leave-in, start here. I like starting with this section, so I'm gonna start with this section. Okay, first step obviously is to moisturize my hair. This is actually my first time using this leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I'm actually so excited because, like, this Gush leave-in conditioner here says it contains aloe vera, mint and shea butter. Okay, and looking through the ingredients, almost all the ingredients are plant-based, and it has 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and tea tree oil, and then it has mint. Any product that has mint, like, it's mine. It's mine. I'm gonna get it. It has mint. I'm gonna get it. Oh, definite yes. At this point, I am advertising the product. Hair feels so good right now. Also, I have already checked the compatibility between the 2 products, because you know there are some products you can't mix together. You start getting flakes and they just don't mix well, but I already tested these and they mix perfectly well, so I'm good to go. So of course I'm gonna take a smaller section. Just gonna quickly detangle this. So we're gonna go in with the dye. I'm gonna try it and apply it as evenly as possible. Then we are going to twist. Hey, I feel like the dye is very elongating. Like, if I had used regular gel to twist my hair like this, it would have curled up by now, but like, okay, so this is our first twist, and you know, it's giving me good feelings. Like, this might actually end up looking really nice. So am done with the first section, and I gotta say, so far I think it's looking good. I think this style I want to do has got a little bit of potential. Okay, can't even scratch my nose anymore, or else I'll turn golden. Okay, so I'm gonna go and do the rest of the sections off camera because I'm basically going to be repeating the same thing over and over again. So what I'm going to do next now is pick another section, moisturize, section and twist and dye, and section and twist and dye, and all over my head. So I will be back. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay.
346 minutes later.
Okay, so that took more than a minute. Can we take a minute though to appreciate how these twists look? Like, honestly, I'm the kind of person that I can legit go out like this. Like, you would see me outside looking like this. I really don't even mind. But alas, this is a twist out video. Hence, I am going to have to take them out. Okay, so I'm going to leave this in for a little while and let them like kind of set and dry, you know. And then when I'm ready to take them out, I'll be back. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. So the twists have been in for about 2 hours now, and I actually tied the scarf because I had to take a nap. Like, I was tired. I've been up since really early today, so I decided to take a nap. So I think I'm ready to take out the twists and see how this twist out comes out. So I'm nervous. Fingers crossed. Let go. We'll start from the back. So let's see. This one didn't form well. Okay, this one's not bad. I probably should have blow dried it. I think I probably should have blow dried it if I was gonna take them out the same day. Oh, this one didn't form well either. Okay, so apart from these few poofy ones in the back, I think we still have hope here. Everything now is in the separating, and it's a lot of pressure. I'm nervous, but here I go. I don't want to ruin it. If you have tips on how I can get this twist out game together, please leave them in the comments because I'm freaking out, guys. Okay, so how do we like it? Do we like it, or is it just, you know, manageable? What do you think? I feel like the way I'm looking at it in the mirror is not the way you guys are seeing it on camera, because it's possible that one side is probably bigger than the other on camera. I don't really know how it's looking, but in the mirror it's not looking bad. But I'm gonna get this hair out of my face with my bobby pins. Let me see how I can do that. Just gonna pin up this area. Okay. Okay, so we have a giant curly-ish bronze afro. And I think I like the color, like, against my skin and all. This would look really nice with some makeup, assuming I know how to do makeup. I think it's all right. I think it's great. I think I like it, but like, I'm not really getting as much definition as I am volume, you know. It looks just very volume, you know. See, just really big and not a lot of definition. So if you have any tips on how to get this right, I would love that. Okay, so that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel, please don't forget, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a thing. Again, if you have any tips for me, or if you have any other kind of video that you want me to do for you, please leave that in the comment below. And don't forget, once more, to share this video with all your friends. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one next week. Till then, bye.